All around the federal courthouse in downtown Miami, there are signs something significant is about to take place. Local police are working with national security agencies preparing for protests and the safety concerns that come with a high-profile court date. This latest indictment isn't keeping Donald Trump from the campaign trail. He held 2 rallies this weekend, railing against the charges.
The ridiculous and baseless indictment of me by the Biden administration's weaponized Department of Injustice will go down as among the most horrific abuses of power in the history of our country.
Some former allies of the former president see things differently.
I was shocked by the degree of sensitivity of these documents and how many there were, frankly.
On Fox News, the man who served as Trump's attorney general delivered a scathing assessment of the indictment.
If even half of it is true, then he's toast. I mean, it's a very detailed indictment, and it's very, very damning.
Trump is facing 37 federal charges for his alleged handling of classified documents and allegedly refusing to return sensitive materials from his Mar-a-Lago estate. About an hour's drive south along the Florida coast, some Republicans are coming to Trump's defense.
I also don't think that if he was running for president, that they would be charging him right now.
Why not?
Because I don't think what he did was a very serious crime. I don't.
The vice chair of the Republican Party of Miami is not satisfied with the evidence and agrees with Trump's narrative, claiming this is politically motivated.
It's basically misfiled paperwork. And for that, you're going to lock up a candidate for president right before an election? No.
Katie, you covered the first indictment in New York City. How might this one compare?
Well, when Trump entered the courthouse in New York, an agreement had been reached ahead of time. He did not have to wear handcuffs and no mug shot was snapped. That is expected to be the same situation here in Miami. Outside of the court, we saw a few hundred protesters, and it was a circus-like atmosphere. People were wearing costumes. They did performance art. Now, it wasn't exactly a large crowd, though. There were moments where there were fewer protesters than there were journalists actually covering the event. Here, it might be a different situation. This is Trump country. This is Republican territory, so we might see a stronger showing of support for Donald Trump on Tuesday.
All right, Katie, thank you.
Thanks.